What if one simple habit could change your brain and your life? Not motivation, not talent, not luck, just one thing: repetition. In this video, you'll discover how repeating small actions can literally rewire your brain and how you can use it to build confidence, focus, and discipline. The science behind it. Your brain has an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. This means your brain can change, adapt, and rewire itself based on what you do repeatedly. Every time you repeat an action, your brain strengthens the connection between neurons. This is called a neural pathway. The more you use a pathway, the stronger and faster it becomes. Why repetition is so powerful? Your brain is designed to save energy, so when you repeat something enough times, it turns it into an automatic behavior. That's how habits are formed. At first, it feels hard, then it feels normal. Finally, it becomes automatic. This is how your brain rewires itself. Good habits versus bad habits. Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't care if a habit is good or bad. It only cares about repetition. So if you repeat scrolling, it becomes automatic. Overthinking, it becomes natural. Procrastination, it becomes your default. But the same rule applies to positive habits: reading, exercising, focused work. Whatever you repeat, you become. The habit loop. Every habit follows a simple pattern: cue, action, reward. For example, cue, feeling bored; action, check phone; reward, dopamine. Your brain remembers this loop and it repeats it again and again. How to rewire your brain. You don't need big changes. You need small, consistent actions. 1. Start small. Don't aim for perfection. Even 5 minutes of a good habit is enough to begin. 2. Stay consistent. Consistency is more important than intensity. Daily repetition builds strong neural pathways. 3. Replace, don't remove. Don't try to eliminate bad habits. Replace them. Example, instead of scrolling, read or learn something. 4. Use triggers. Attach habits to existing routines. Example, after waking up, 5 minutes of focus or learning. 5. Reward yourself. Your brain loves rewards. Celebrate small wins to reinforce the habit. Why most people fail? People fail because they rely on motivation, but motivation is temporary. Habits are permanent. If you depend on motivation, you stop. If you build habits, you continue. The long-term effect. Over time, small habits create massive changes. Your brain becomes more focused, more disciplined, more confident, all because of repetition. You don't need to change your life overnight. You just need to repeat the right actions, because every small habit is shaping your brain, and your brain is shaping your future.